Hey everybody, Omar here. And in this video, I'm going to explain the exit strategy, how to move from a 9 to 5 job or just an employment to having your own business. There is so much noise on the internet and on YouTube, on Instagram, seeing so many different ways to make money online, and many of them work. But what we're looking for exactly is not just making money online, it's exiting the employment or exiting being tied to just making money from a job. This is the purpose of this specific video. And I'm going to share my experience when I was employed and what made me get out of that. So, when I was employed in 2017, I was living in Paris, and I used to make around 3,000 euros a month, with 1,000 euro being spent on rent, so 2,000 net. And from that money, I had to also buy the food and live. And when I was at that state, it was extremely difficult for me to to even find time to do something. And there were so many different things that could have been done online, so that I didn't know what to choose. So I'm gonna tell you exactly the best way and fastest way to get out of that state. So I tried first doing affiliate marketing. And affiliate marketing is when you make money from selling a product or service, marketing it, and you get a cut from that, commissions. So let's say that I sell a program or a product or a service from a company for $50 and I have an agreement with them. I get 20% commissions. I get $10 per sale. The problem with that is that it's marketing. You need to know how to market these products and services. So basically, you're working kind of like a salesman or marketing man for that company, and you just make money from commissions. So you either need huge audiences, or you need to know how to build audiences and how to get leads, how to get sales online from social media. There's a tremendous amount of skills needed to do such a business. So it's definitely not for beginners. It's really difficult. And I've done it multiple times and I failed multiple times. The only way I was able to really start making money from affiliate marketing is either if I had a strong presence online, so from YouTube videos, or if I had a service that I was selling, and then I would recommend another product for which I had an agreement with. These are the two scenarios, and if there is no predictable income, you can't make money predictably, except if you're selling a recurring offer for a long time, and a lot of them. And there's risk. If that company stops, you don't make money anymore. If the agreement with that company stops, you don't make money anymore. So it's definitely not the way to get out of your job. Second thing is dropshipping. I tried dropshipping. I did make some money with the dropshipping, but dropshipping is probably one of the hardest business models to do. Why? People make it seem that it's so easy. You just find the product and you market it. What you need to understand is doing the product research for dropshipping is first, it needs to be done extremely, extremely quickly. Because if you don't sell it, 100,000 other people are going to sell it. If you do find something good, then you need the skills to do the ad creatives, to do the copywriting, and to market that product quickly. So you need skills in ad creatives, except if you're stealing videos from others. Skills in copywriting, even if you use AI, ChatGPT, it shows that it's AI, it's not you. And you will need to have skills in advertising, like TikTok ads, Facebook ads, And if you don't have those, most of the people that are employed don't have those skills. They need to learn those skills. So you get discouraged really quickly, really fast. I succeeded a little bit with that when I used to sell in France and in Italy in 2017 when I was starting those projects to get out of it. And it was difficult. And I had issues with a supplier. So I had lots of orders coming in for a product in the Italian market. And then the supplier was not able to ship those products on time. So I had to refund lots of people and close down the dropshipping service, dropshipping company. Then I tried Amazon FBA. Now, Amazon FBA is a little bit more stable if you find the right product. And I sold some units there, but there also are lots of issues with this business model. Many people tell you about Amazon FBA that if you like, oh yes, I made $100,000 per year with Amazon FBA. They just talk about revenues. Nobody talks about profits. What actually matters. From $100,000, usually good brands have a profit of 20 to 25% max. So 20, let's take 25%. 25% means $25,000 per year, which is like around $2,000 a month. So what have we done? It's not like we have made $10,000 per month in profit. It's very difficult to find and also I have an agency that helps Amazon sellers. Amazon is definitely a good business model, but not for employed people that don't know what they're doing. Because for Amazon, especially now, you need like really good branding skills and you need budget to promote the product. It's not just finding the product and putting a listing on Amazon and that's it. You need to have a really good process in place to launch products. So it's not something that I recommend at all to beginners. Now, that's why I don't recommend it at all. What actually worked for me and what I recommend to everybody that wants to start a business, an online business, and get out of employment as quickly as possible, well, first is to define how much money you want to make, you need to get out. Most people I speak with, they want at least $5,000 per month. What I recommend 100% is to have a service business, which is exactly what made me get out of my job and what allowed me to afford my life and this apartment I'm in right now. It's because of services. So let's say you want to offer a service. It's very, very simple. You just need one client. If you have a service, let's say, for example, social media management, TikTok ads only, Facebook ads only, these types of services, you can charge, let's say, $2,500 per month for just this service to just one client. So in reality, you just need two clients to close two clients and you're done. You are out of your job. That's it. Now you might tell me, yes, but I don't have the skills. The skill is the easiest thing you can solve. You just need to learn it. And what's even better is that you don't even need to learn it because you can outsource it. So what I do, for example, in our agency, we offer copywriting, translations, graphic design for Amazon businesses. Okay. Do you think that I have all these skills? No. I have specialists in my team that do all the work. And this is also something that is called today drop servicing. Okay. And I've talked about this a few years back in some videos in Arabic, but this is an agency business, but essentially you don't have employees legally speaking, you have contractors. These contractors and freelancers, you pay them per task. So for example, let's say you decide to have a Translation business from English to Japanese. Okay, you get translators, and these translators are paid per word. Let's say 3 cents per word. Okay, and you charge 15 cents, okay, per word. So you get the deal. You are the agency that gets the deal, and then you have the team doing that work for you. Okay, that's, in simple terms, this is kind of like a drop servicing agency. And with these kinds of services, you can easily solve the $5,000 issue per month online. So you just need a few clients and you're done. Now, here, what you need to do is choose the service. And then you need to know how to get clients. These are other things that we can talk about in other times, because every service needs a different client lead generation method. It's a different one. So every business needs a different lead generation method. But the essentially what really allows you to reach that is drop servicing. Now, I've been doing this for 5 6 years, and a lot of my close friends have always asked me, like, how can you do what you're doing? How can you afford traveling and going and coming? And if you've noticed also on my YouTube videos a long time ago, I lived in Bali, I lived in Turkey, I lived here in the UAE, I bought property here, I bought properties in Turkey. This is all from services. This is the main core business. Right now, I decided to start helping a few people only, mentorship. And if you would be interested, you feel like you resonate with this message of being free, getting out, not having your own boss, working hard for a business you own, then you can apply to work with me. I will put a link down below. And if you're not a good fit, that's fine. You can still watch the videos. I probably will put some videos, but I'm very active mostly on LinkedIn at the moment. I love that platform. And I just felt like I wanted to explain this like on YouTube, because I wish somebody told me this a long time ago as well. I've tried so many things. I've tried crypto trading. I have tried just focusing on Airbnb. I've tried drop shipping again and again, and I've tried Amazon again. I just, it people just want to sell you these ideas, but it's not like they don't go honestly explaining what matters to you. It's not just the money that we want. We want the freedom. We want the freedom to travel. We want the freedom to do whatever we want anytime we want. We don't want a business that is unstable. Businesses like dropshipping, the one product you launch it, after 3 weeks it's dead. You need another one, after 3 weeks it's dead. You need a third one, after 3 weeks it's dead. Amazon FBA, you need to keep on launching and launching and launching and launching. These are not stable businesses. These are very advanced businesses. You need to have a cash flow coming in, and then you can try. Even blogging, I did blogging and I did make good money with it. I reached $10,000 from a blog. But if you think about it, $10,000 from ads from a blog per month, it requires me 300,000 people visiting my site per month to reach that amount per month. It's extremely difficult, and I had to put around $25,000 in a full year in investment to get writers, to get editors, to get SEO experts, to get a web developer, all of these working on the account. It's not for beginners at all. So I hope you understand the message here is that just remove all these distractions. These distractions will only make you more confused, more lost, and remove the shiny object syndrome, because there are tons of ways to make money online and they work, but it's not what we want. What we want is a specific figure monthly, getting out of job and having a stable business with predictable income, with predictable systems that allow us to live the life that we want to live. So I hope you love this video. If it resonates, if it's something that you would like to explore more and you're a candidate for that, you can just, as I mentioned, apply to work with me from the link below. And if not, I hope it was useful. And yeah, I might record other videos like this, spontaneous. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.